We've got a 2011 Ram 3500. This one's a mega cab. It's a 6.7 Cummins with a 68 RFE transmission and electric shift transfer case. It does have a good grille and a good hood under all that dust. It's brilliant black. The paint code is PXR. Driver's side front door is no good, but the driver's side back door is good. And these back doors are the same on a crew cab in the 4th generation. They did not have a different door for a mega cab. There's a look at the bed. It's got some damage on it. Back bumper is usable, and it does have the park assist. This one is a Laramie. And here's a look at the passenger side doors. They're both good. Good passenger side mirror and passenger side fender. So it does have leather seats, and it does not have the heated and cooled. They're just heated leather seats, and they are very dirty, but they could clean up pretty good. The driver's side does have just a small tear in it. And there's a look at the dash. And the back seats are in good shape, and these are mega cab only back seats. So if you're looking to upgrade your mega cab to leather, here's some good seats for that. We weren't able to start this one due to a hole in the oil pan, but it does have a lot of good parts. If you're looking for any mega cab parts, give us a call at 270-842-1595. Thanks for watching.